Hey everyone, in this tutorial we're going to be comparing Earn app versus Honeygain. And after the latest update, we're going to see which app is better when it comes to passive income. So let's jump right into it. I believe this is a very good summarized tutorial, or I'd say comparison between the two on Reddit. And you should definitely go check this out. It has every information, but I'm going to summarize it even more so that you know which one to get according to your needs. Now, Earn app is basically available on a bunch more devices. Honeygain is only available on Windows, Android, Mac, and Linux. Whereas Earn app just goes and goes on. And they both pay consistently and accurately. There's a small fees for both, and there's basically a percentage for Honeygain and a flat fee for Earn app, regardless of however you earn. And this person particularly has an experiment where they're earning with Earn app and Honeygain, and the way that they're earning is basically he's pulling about 1.75 GB per day. It has 11 devices, and it's a max of 15 and only 11 IPs to use. So it's getting like approximately 160 MB per a day per device, which is equivalent to 60 cents. Some are making 20 cents a day. So he's saying he's earning $6 per device a month, purely passive, and on Earn app, of course. And with Honeygain, he's averaging 3. So it's a pretty clear comparison that he's earning a significantly more amount on Earn app. And he basically recommends, and I see no harm in this, why don't you just install both and use both of them and see what that works like. But yeah, this is a very good comparison on what you can do with two particular applications and who pays you a significantly more amount, which in this particular opinion and in practice I've seen is Earn app. So yeah, that's about it, everybody. That's the basic comparison between Earn app versus Honeygain. You can go ahead and pause the video and read this entirely as well and learn something if you haven't. I hope this cleared out any confusions, any comparisons, and if you want any other questions to be answered, please leave them in the comments down below. Thank you for watching.